First, you will navigate to your Schoology page. You'll click on the Betty Placencia course. Once there, you'll scroll all the way to the bottom to where it says 5th grade culmination folder. Once you click that, you'll see each and every teacher in 5th grade. You'll click on your teacher, and you will open up the assignment. This particular assignment is the entrance video. Double-click it. Once you open it, to the right-hand side, you're going to see Submit Assignment. Double-click that, and here you have two options. First option is to do your recording live. Click on the microphone, and it'll give you two options. You're not going to want to have just an audio. You're going to want to click audio and video. Once you click there, you'll press record and you'll insert it. The second option is to upload a live file from your desktop. So I've clicked it, searching for the correct file that has a picture of the entrance. I open it up, and now I click submit, and I have the file uploading. I can label it entrance video, submit, and now instantly Mr. Montañez is able to have a file of the video of the entrance walk.